Good morning, students. In this video we are going to learn rational expressions and excluded values, some problems related to rational expressions and excluded values. Learn the concept thoroughly. Thank you. Let's watch the video. Third lesson, algebra, exercise 3.4. Last class we have learnt what is rational expression and what is excluded value. These things we have learnt in last class. Now we are going to do the problems in exercise 3.4. First question, x square minus 1 divided by x square plus x. Here we are going to write its linear or least form or linear factors form. The first one, x square minus 1. This x square minus 1 is nothing but x square minus 1 square. We can take like this. You have learned the identity, algebraic identities, a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So this one can be written as actually x square minus 1 square is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 1. So I am going to replace x plus 1 and x minus 1 divided by this x square plus x. There are two terms. The quadratic polynomial have two terms. The x is the common factor. If you take that x out, what do we have? Here one more x is there. So I write x plus. If you take this x out means 1 will be there. So x plus 1 into x minus 1 divided by x into x plus 1. This x plus 1, this x plus 1 will be cancelled. So x minus 1 divided by x. This is second subdivision. X square minus 11x plus 18 divided by x square minus 4x plus 4. Here this is quadratic polynomial, this is also quadratic polynomial, you know very well. Now I am going to find its linear factors. So first x square minus 11x plus 18. Using this I division method, I told you, try to remember that concept. This 18, actually in this quadratic polynomial, this 18 is a constant term. I write the constant term here and coefficient of x here. This constant term, it will be product of any two numbers, and this minus 11 is product sum of the same two numbers. அதாவது ஏதாவது ரெண்டு எண்களை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போது நம்ம கிடைக்கிற வேல்யூ வந்து 18 இருக்கணும். அதே ரெண்டு நம்பரை ஆட் பண்ணும்போது நம்ம கிடைக்கிறது minus 11 இருக்கணும். Now we have to find the two numbers. It is very easy. 9 and 2. If we assign minus for both numbers, minus 9 into minus 2 equal to plus 18. Minus 9 minus 2 gives minus 11. Therefore, it can be written as x minus 9 and x minus 2. We just assign the variable. Variable is x. If variable is y means we write y minus 9 into y minus 2 like that. The second one, x square minus 4x plus 4. This is also product of two numbers is equal to 4. Sum of the same two numbers is equal to minus 4. Minus 2 minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 2 is equal to plus 4. Minus 2 gives minus 4. So x minus 2, x minus 2. X minus 2 will be cancelled. So we have x minus 9 divided by x minus 2. This is its lowest form or reducible form. Hereafter we cannot reduce. So this is irreducible form of this rational expression. Third question. The question is 9x square plus 81x divided by x cube plus 8x square minus 9x. 9x square plus 81x. Solution. This 9 is the common factor of these two terms. 9x square and 81. This 81 is multiple of 9, you know. And x here also, and x is in both terms. So we can take a 9x out. If you take 9x out, what do we have? Here 9 out, then one more x. What do we have? Remaining 1x plus Here 81x, we took x out, then this 81 which is equal to 9 into 9. Already we took one 9 out, so remaining one 9 is there. So 9x of x plus 9 divided by, here there are three terms. This is cubic polynomial and x is the common factor. If you take that x out, what do we have? X cube, we took one x out, so x square plus 8x square, we took one x out, so remaining x is there, so plus 8x minus 9. This x will be cancelled, so 9 of x plus 9. This is a quadratic polynomial. So now I am going to find the linear factor of this quadratic polynomial. Product of two numbers is minus 9, sum of the two numbers is 8. So what are the two numbers? 1, 9. So better we assign minus 1. Minus 1 into 9, minus 9. Minus 1 plus 9 equal to 8. I hope you understand. Minus 1 into 9, minus 9. Minus 1 plus 9 gives 8. So it can be written as x minus 1 into x plus 9. This x plus 9 will be cancelled. So finally we have 9 by x minus 1. It is the irreducible form of this rational expression. Second question, find the excluded values if any of the following expressions. First subdivision, y by y square minus 25. Y by y square minus 25. First we write in its lowest form or irreducible form. Y divided by, actually this y square minus 25 can be written as y square minus 5 square. So a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So it can be written as y plus 5 and y minus 5. So y minus 5 into y plus 5. I told you, if you want to find the excluded value, we take a q of x, which means the denominator which is equal to 0. So this y minus 5, let y minus 5 into y plus 5 which is equal to 0. Product, the two factors are in product which is equal to 0. If you have like this, you can take y minus 5 equal to 0 and y plus 5 equal to 0. This minus 5 becomes plus 5. Y minus 5 equal to 0, this minus 5 becomes plus 5. Like y is equal to, this plus 5 becomes minus 5. I hope you understand this concept. So the excluded values are 5 and minus 5. How you say this 5 and minus 5 are excluded? If you replace y by 5 or minus 5, the denominator will be 0. Just replace, instead of ya, I substitute 5. So 5 divided by 5 minus 5. I replace, instead of this y, 5. 5 minus 5. And here 5 plus 5. So what do we have? 5 by 5 minus 5 equal to 0. 0 into 10. So 5 by 0, which is equal to undefined, or the term is not defined. That's why we say this 5 and minus 5 are the excluded value of this rational expression. This one want to write, need not to write this one. This is just verification. You write, first you want to find the linear factors form, then you can find the value if the variable is. Question number 2, second subdivision. Find the excluded value of t divided by t square minus 5t plus 6. T divided by t square minus 5t plus 6. This is a quadratic polynomial of variable t. Here I am going to find its linear factor by using that I division method. T square minus 5t plus 6. This plus 6 is the product of any two numbers. This minus 5 is sum of the same two numbers. 3 and 2. Minus 2 minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 2 gives plus 6. Minus 3 minus 2 is equal to minus 5. So it can be written as t minus 3 and t minus 2. For finding excluded value, we take q of x which is equal to 0. Let q of x is equal to 0. Sir, what is q of x? You can ask. If you take this is numerator, this numerator is p of x, means the denominator is equal to q of x. So if you take t minus 3 into t minus 2 equal to 0, first case t minus 3 equal to 0, so t is equal to plus 3. The minus 3 becomes plus 3. Second one, t minus 2 equal to 0, therefore t is equal to plus 2. This 3 and 2 are the excluded value. The excluded values are 3. The excluded values are 3 and 2. You know how to verify it. If you replace instead of t plus 3 replace means this 3 divided by 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 0 into anything 0. So any value divided by 0 is not defined. So this 3 and 2 are the excluded values. Once again I repeat, what is excluded value? Excluded value, a value that makes the rational expression, a value that makes a rational expression in its lowest form undefined. That is called the excluded value. So this 3 and 2 makes the rational expression undefined. That's why we say this 3 and 2 are the excluded value. Move to the next one. Question subdivision 4. Subdivision number 4. The question is x cube minus 27 divided by x cube plus x square minus 6x. Solution. This x cube minus 27 divided by x cube plus x square minus 6x. This is a cubic polynomial. This is also a cubic polynomial. So cubic polynomial have three linear factors. Let us find the factors. The first one, x cube minus this 27 can be written as 3 cube. So a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b. So x minus 3, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube, which is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. I substituted instead of a x, instead of b 3. So x minus 3 into x square plus 3x plus 9. So now I am going to replace this x cube minus 27 by x minus 3 into x square plus 3x plus 9 whole divided by this x cube plus x square minus 6x. Here x is the common factor. See, x. The 3 term has x. Therefore we can take that x out. If I take that x out, here there are 3 times x. X cube means x into x. There are 3. If you take ones out means here 2 more. So x into x, which is equal to x square. So x square. Here 2 times there. So we take 1 out means x minus 6. So now I am going to find the factors of this quadratic polynomial, x square plus x minus 6. So minus 6 and plus 1. Minus 6 is the product of any two numbers and plus 1 is the sum of the same two numbers. 3 and 2. If you take that minus 2 plus 3 means you can get the result. 3 into minus 2 equal to minus 6. 3 minus 2 equal to plus 1. So instead of x into, instead of this x square plus x minus 6, I replace x plus 3 into x minus 2. So this x plus 3 this x plus 3 cannot be cancelled. So x into x plus 3 into x minus 2. There is no common factor in numerator and denominator. If you have common factor in numerator and denominator, you can cancel. But here there is no common factor. So you can take as it is. Let q of x which is equal to 0. Q of x which is equal to 0. This is a concept. So here q of x is x into x plus 3 into x minus 2 equal to 0. How can we find the values? So first x is equal to 0. We take. Second x plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to, the plus 3 becomes minus 3. And x minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 2. So the excluded values are 0, minus 3 and 2. The excluded values are 0, minus 3 and 2. Students, remaining problems in exercise I'll give you as a homework. You try to complete it. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. I'll clarify your doubt. I hope you understand this concept. Thank you.